Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Jasmine A. Monterde, 28 years old. I am single and I have no kids. I have 50 kilograms in weight and 5'3" in height. I am a college graduate taking a Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in Technology and Livelihood Education.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Honestly, mom, I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to help my family financially and to save money also.
Do you have work experience as domestic helper?
Yes, ma'am, I do have an experience here in Philippines working as housemaid or domestic helper for 4 years. I took good care of 2 years old and 7 years old, and they are both female.
Alright, tell me your duties and responsibilities here in Philippines.
My duties as a housemaid or domestic helper here in Philippines, ma'am, as cooking, washing and ironing clothes, cleaning, and at the same time gardening.
What are your skills?
My skills, ma'am, are cooking, baking, tutoring, at the same time taking good care of pets.
What are the traits of a good domestic helper?
The traits of good domestic helper as hardworking, loyal, caring, loving.
Lastly, what is your message to your future employer?
My message to my future employer is hope to see you soon in Hong Kong, Madam Sir. Thank you.